Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the voice search feature on Safari. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application or the browser on your phone. Then you should go to the top of the page, and within the search bar you can find the microphone icon in the upper right corner of the screen. So tap on it and looking, and here you can see that you've been directed to Google, and here you can browse among the results. So that's how you can use the voice search feature on Safari. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.